How to turn on notifications on Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch it up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Tap on settings. So now we are in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on account settings, and here slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find a section of sounds. Tap on sounds, and here on the top there's the notification bar. So in order to turn it on, simply tap on it and it has turned blue. Now you can simply go back and it's all set to go. So the notifications will pop up in the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.